Hi there, this is Ashley Buchan, NMLS number 321857, and today I would like to discuss with you how to compete in today's seller's market. Right now, if you're a buyer, you could be very frustrated because you can find that there's not a lot of homes for sale. There might be about a 1 month supply of homes. So when you do find the property that you really like and you want to put in an offer, you could find that you're going up against multiple other buyers that want to purchase that home too. So ultimately that could result in offers being submitted that are above the asking price with very competitive terms. So this whole video is to talk about how to put your offer in front of those other offers and how to be more competitive to make sure that you get your offer accepted. So my advice, number one, would be to make sure that you submit an actual approval letter and not just a pre-qualification letter. That approval letter should include the property address for the property that you are wanting to write the offer on, and also include the price that you're offering, and also to state that the loan officer has verified your down payment, run your credit, reviewed your income and asset documentation, that you're well qualified to purchase the property. Also, you want to include your proof of funds. So you want to include a copy of your bank statement to show that you have the down payment. And you also want to include a letter that you've written with a picture of you and your family, and state why you love this home and why it's perfect for you and why you'd really like to purchase this home. Also, when you're actually drafting your terms of the contract, there's what's called a contingency period. And there's a contingency period for your appraisal, your home inspection, and also your loan approval. And these there's standard turn times or amount of time, the time frame that you have to get these things done. And instead of going with the standard time frame, you can shorten that time frame and do things more quickly so that you put less risk on the seller, and therefore making your offer more advantageous to the seller. Also, you can increase the amount of your earnest money deposit. So a typical earnest money deposit is 1% of the purchase price. And in this case, you can go with a 2% or a 3% of the purchase price earnest money deposit. So this increased earnest money deposit would then be into the escrow transaction, therefore showing the seller that you're more serious about the property and you really want to purchase. I would not recommend asking for any credits from the seller, as any credits from the seller would then reduce their net, which would detract from your offer. Another really important thing when considering putting in an offer is you want to make sure that your realtor looks at what the homes within the 1 mile radius of the property are selling for that are similar in bedroom, bath, and square footage, because you want to take that into consideration when considering what price you want to offer. If you go too high above what the other homes are selling for, then when you go to order your appraisal, the appraisal may not come in at the price that you've offered. If the appraised value comes in lower than the purchase price offered, you would either have to renegotiate the price or come up with the difference or cancel the transaction. Once you've paid for the appraisal and it's been completed, you lose that cost. So it's important to make sure that you're not putting in an offer too above what the homes are selling for, so you don't have a value issue down the road. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'd love the opportunity to speak with you and to work with you and to help you get your offer accepted. And my phone number is 858-967-7664. Ashley Buchan, NMLS 321857. Talk to you soon.